Right, so this morning, this cycle actually finished in the night. I'm going to show you how to clean the filter and the condenser on this Hoover tumble dryer. So people think that was the last cycle I did, extra hygiene. People think the condenser is actually in here. It's actually not, because there's normally a water tank on Hoovers. This is just a glass door, so it's not in there. The condenser is actually in here, in there. Water tank and the condenser are in here. So you've got your water tank and you have your condenser. Just show you the condition of mine. A little bit of fluff, but not too bad at the moment. Okay. The water tank is located here. Hardly any water in this load, Jesus. And you empty it via this blue cap, which is actually fully removable like that. I'm going to switch hands on the camera because there's not a lot of weight in it, and plus we actually have a sink right here, which makes it really easy to empty this, and you don't have to drag it through to the kitchen. You can generally just tip the water away. Like that, and slide it back in. It takes 30 seconds, not even, to empty your water tank. There we go. There we go. As simple as that. And then the cover obviously goes back on. This is a bit of a challenge with one hand. Like that. And then it almost clicks into place. Like that. Like that. And by the way, that's not me breaking the clips. It's meant to clip like that into place so it doesn't come off. So that's this part done. God, that is bloody drop as well. Jesus. Sometimes after most loads you want to just go around the door seal and just with a microfiber or a damp cloth just wipe off any excess fluff. Next thing we're going to do is this fluff filter, which is basically just situates in the door like this. I'm actually going to pull the tray out for this so I can show you a little bit better. And it literally just pops off. Very difficult to do one-handed, of course, but like that. But yes, as you can see, it's emptying, and it's just like any other fluff filter. You scrape the fluff out and bin it. Okay, so I've emptied mine. That's what came out. And then this just generally clips back into place. Like that. Slots in. Funny enough, this actually goes in either way. Funny enough, it actually goes in either way. But there we go. So that is how to change the how to clean the water tank and filter on this Hoover all-in-one condenser. It's a bit of a clean, bit dusty in a minute from all the work that's being done. But alright, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos.